here! Get us out of here!
We aren't made for this.
This USB drive in my hand is not just an ordinary one. I have loaded it with two powerful AI agents, OpenClaw and Hermes agent. As soon as I plug this USB drive into my Windows PC and run the Hermes agent file, the portable Hermes agent launches. It is fully functional and capable of performing all the tasks that are typically handled through standard deployments. And in the same way, my portable OpenClaw agent launches, which I can use 24/7. I can assign it any task and it will execute it for me around the clock, running directly from my pen drive. Since these are fully portable USB agents, I can easily run them on any system. For instance, when I plug this same USB drive into my MacBook, I can seamlessly use these agents, picking up exactly where I left off on Windows. All the skills, chat sessions, and history remain exactly as they were when I was using them on Windows. And it is not limited to just MacBook or Windows. I can run this on any system, whether it is Windows, MacBook, or Linux. Both agents will pick up exactly where I left off on the previous system. Nothing will change. I can use both agents simultaneously within the same window, and they will handle all my tasks without stopping or slowing down. Since both these agents connect to Telegram, I can access them on my phone from anywhere and control them completely. I can assign any task to the agent directly from my phone, and it will complete the task and send the reply right back to my phone. This setup is completely portable. Your agent's skills and entire chat history are saved right on this pen drive and remain fully secure. And setting it up is extremely simple. You do not necessarily need a pen drive to run it. You can use an SSD, a hard disk, or even a card reader. So, let's make these agents fully portable without any delay. To make these agents portable, you need to visit this repository of mine. It is completely open source, so you can check the code yourself if you want to. To set it up, click on this green code button. From here, you can either clone the repository or download the zip file, whichever you prefer. Since I am using a USB drive, I will just download it. After the download is complete, plug your USB drive into your PC. Format this USB drive to exFAT, since it is compatible with all systems. If you are not using a USB drive, you can skip this step. Once the formatting is complete, go to your Downloads folder, copy or cut the downloaded zip file, and paste it onto your USB drive. After pasting it there, extract this zip file. Once the zip file is extracted, you can delete it since we do not need it anymore. Now, open the extracted folder. Inside this folder, you will find various files for both agents across all systems, whether Windows or Linux. Since I am using Windows, I will use the .bat file. If you are using Linux or macOS, you should use the .sh file. I want to install the Hermes agent, so I run the hermes.bat file. As soon as I run it, the installation starts automatically. I do not need to do anything else. The installation will complete based on the speed of your internet connection and USB drive, so wait for it to finish. Actually, let's run both installations at the same time so they finish together. I will go ahead and run the OpenClaw.bat file so both installations complete at once. Now let's just wait for them to finish. Now that the installation is complete, I will set up OpenClaw first. To set it up, press 1 and then enter, and the setup will start. After this, it will ask you to choose an AI provider. I want to use Google, but you can select OpenAI, Anthropic, or a local Ollama, whichever you prefer. Now, paste your API key here. After that, select the model you want to use and press enter. The OpenClaw setup is complete. This will activate the gateway automatically, allowing us to access its dashboard. Let's wait a minute for the gateway service to start up fully. The gateway service has fully started, so we can now access its dashboard. To do this, simply open any browser and paste the URL shown on the screen. I have also included it in the description. So our OpenClaw is fully set up and running. You can ask it any question and it will give you a proper reply, or you can assign it any task. Now let's set up the Hermes agent. For that, run the hermes.bat file. The setup wizard will open now, so let's get this set up as well. To start the setup, press 2 and then enter. I accidentally pressed 1, which is why it asked me for something extra. You have 3 setup options. The first is Quick Setup, which requires logging into the Hermes portal, a service that provides free API models, so you could choose that option first. However, I will select the second option since I want to use a setup of my own preference. Now, choose your AI provider. You can use whichever one you prefer, but since I want to run it using OpenCode, I am choosing the OpenCode option. Then, select OpenCode Zen. Now, I need to paste my API key. Then, press Enter to continue. You need to select the model you want to use. I want to use the DeepSeek V4 Flash model, so I will select that one. Then, select Keep Current Local. After this, it will ask for the communication channel, so select Telegram here. Then, out of the 2 Telegram options, select the second one, the manual option. Paste your Telegram token here, which you can generate by visiting the Telegram Botfather channel. Then paste your Telegram ID, which you can get from the Telegram user infobot ID channel. Then press Y to continue. Now the required setup is complete and you can close the terminal here. After that, relaunch the hermes.bat file. As soon as it launches, you can see that our setup is complete. Now, we just need to start our agent. For that, select the first option, the chat one. As soon as you select option 1 and press enter, your portable agent will start up after a brief pause. Then, you can use it to get tasks done or to assist you however you want. Let's try running it on my MacBook right now as well. For this, I need to open the pen drive folder from my Mac files and launch the terminal within that folder. Now, run this launch command in your terminal. You can find the repository link there, or I will provide it in the description so you can use it from there. As soon as you press enter, it will install some dependencies on the MacBook, since the dependency files for macOS differ slightly, so please wait a moment while they download automatically. Once the installation is complete, you will see a green check mark. Everything is already set up, so we do not need to set it up again. Now, just select the Start option, similar to how you would on Windows, to run your agent, and it will launch. You can run OpenClaw on your MacBook exactly the same way it works on Windows, with all your files, chat history, and skills available right here. And to use it on Telegram, select the Gateway option from the Start wizard. Once you select the Gateway option, you can use it on Telegram through the same chatbot you set up with your token. So that is it for today's video. I hope you set up your agent on your pen drive. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you are facing any errors during setup or installation, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help you out.